New tonight, are you interested in looking a little bit younger or more fresh-faced, but you'd like to avoid injections or going under the knife?
Well, experts say a host of minimally invasive treatment options are designed to actually stop your skin's aging process in its tracks. And as CBS 4's Lisa Petrillo reports, they're growing in popularity.
Julie uses fractional laser treatments to keep her skin looking young and improve texture.
There's very, very little downtime, and there's not very much pain involved, and it's an extremely natural result.
That natural look is what experts say more patients are opting for, and a host of minimally invasive treatments are aimed at achieving it.
We have so many new technologies, so many new procedures, and there's so much interest.
Interest in treatments like focused ultrasound to tighten the skin, fractional lasers to treat scars, wrinkles, and improve texture, or microneedling, which is actually using small needles to create tiny injury to the skin. The idea behind the treatments?
We can create microscopic wounds to the skin, and that stimulates the skin to produce new collagen by essentially tricking the skin into going into this wound repair mechanism. We can reverse some of the aspects of aging.
Some experts recommend starting treatment early at the first signs of aging in order to slow the process. Dr. Scott Glassberg, president of the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, sees a trend towards minimally invasive procedures, but feels some of these treatments may border on too little for some patients.
There are times where surgery or more invasive procedures are the best options for patients. And that's generally later in life, more extreme situations where patients have waited and not had any of the minimally invasives to start.
Dr. Ariel Kavar points out sometimes a combination of treatments works best, and lasers can't prevent wrinkles from returning in areas with a lot of muscle movement.
So injectables such as neurotoxin and fillers accomplish one kind of change, whereas lasers and ultrasound treatments accomplish another, and often to get the sort of total picture and the best rejuvenation, we combine them.
If you do consider opting for a newer minimal invasive anti-aging treatment, Dr. Kavar recommends seeing a physician who is well qualified and has a lot of experience with the treatment device.
Although they're extremely safe when used properly, these are high energy devices, and it is possible to create side effects when they're not used properly.
As for Julie, she's happy with the results she has seen.
My skin is tighter, it's smoother, without looking blown up.
The doctor says these treatments can range from the $200 to $300 range to thousands of dollars, depending on the type of treatment and the size of the area being treated. Ah, youth. I'm Lisa Petrillo, CBS 4 News.